All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Will Bitcoin break out? It looked like it wants to. I'll give you that much. The market price action in Bitcoin definitely looked like it wants to break out because we've just been consolidating in this very tight range for a while. Ever since like November, December of last year, here it is February, and this market here in Bitcoin is still trading within a traded channel. So maybe it wants to. I don't know. We'll talk about it right now. But before I do, welcome to my channel. This is what I do. I give you all the news according to the charts. This is where the information meets the road. This is where people are telling us, hey, I think Bitcoin is going to go up, or hey, I think Bitcoin is going to go down. So they either buy or sell. We can actually take that information, take that data, and actually transform it into an analysis to where we're able to figure out what is the market likely to go next. Where is it likely to go next? So I want to show you all that. So make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow, because I want to teach you, not only give you this information, I want you all to learn how to walk on your own when you're coming into these markets, because it doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't. Let me show you. This price prediction that we got on our chart right now for Bitcoin was created right there on December the 27th. Okay. I was talking to you all then, hey, look for Bitcoin to go down. There's two areas that I want to show you that we talked about that the buyers needed to hold, right? The first pocket is right there around 90,728 to 92,250. That pocket needed to be maintained in order for Bitcoin to break out. Okay. Can you see the price action since that time? How many times did these buyers give us that information that they were willing to buy the market at our pocket? Once, twice, even a third time just yesterday, the buyers confirmed that they're still in this pocket. That there gives us a lot of information that the market doesn't want to go down, at least not yet. There's people here in Bitcoin who's coming in, buying this cryptocurrency every time price touches that pocket. That's a big clue. That gives us a lot of information that we need to know about. So much so that when Bitcoin did touch this pocket on the 13th of January, the market ran all the way up and topped all-time highs on the 20th of January. That's how much the buyers were controlling the price. They was able to push it, well, on this exchange to all-time highs. Okay. So hopefully you was able to take some of this profit in the market in Bitcoin as it did touch our pocket, our first target, a couple of times, would garner what, 3.31%, even 5.16% profit there. And that was on the 13th of January. Okay, now let's try to see if we can clean this up, because we can definitely clean up this chart a little bit better. Preferably, we want to get rid of these sell pockets, because sellers in the market in Bitcoin, they did their job. Like on this first pocket of selling right here, they did keep the buyers at bay on these 2 days. So the buyers came back down. They got some more of their friends down here around $90,000, $92,000, and then they bust through that pocket of selling to where they was able to move the market up here to the next sell pocket. Okay. So now we're cleaning up the chart. We will also get rid of this downtrend line, because the market in Bitcoin is not trending down. So this is the current price movement that Bitcoin has created for us. Just trading in between this area. Which one of these pockets do you think is going to break? Will it be the sell pocket or these buy pockets? Because whichever one is weaker is the way that we're going to lean and where price is going to go. So like for instance, if we would have seen the market in Bitcoin, yesterday's price action closed at the very bottom of that price bar, then we would have leaned more towards that this buy pocket is going to break. But since those buyers showed up again, that's not likely right now. We're not going to look for this pocket of buying to break yet. The only way that we would look for this pocket to break is if on today's trade the market comes all the way back down to this area, to this buy pocket, and closes there. Then that's when we'll say, yeah, this market definitely is weak in Bitcoin. Now let's look at this on the 2. So here's Bitcoin on the 2 again. We're definitely seeing emphasis of buyers. Here it is on the 3. Here's Bitcoin on the 4. Okay. Take a look at this on the 5. 12 hours and 3 minutes left. It doesn't look extremely bearish. It doesn't look extremely weak neither. It just looks like another tradable market. We don't see it as here on the 5-day chart for Bitcoin. Here it is on the weekly chart. In the next 5 days, 13 hours, pay attention to the weekly time frame in Bitcoin. If we close up here at the high of this weekly bar, then this market definitely is still bullish. All in all, it looks as if the market definitely wants to continue to go higher. Looking at this on the weekly chart and looking at this on the 2 weeks, somebody's buying this cryptocurrency. Because every time the weakness and the selling increases, there's someone always on the opposite side that is propping up this cryptocurrency right now. Here it's on the 3. Bitcoin on the 5 weeks. And here it is on the monthly. So yeah, this is a tricky environment right now for Bitcoin. It could go either way. And usually when that occurs, I let the market wring itself out of all of the confusion. So I'm not going to change this price prediction yet, but when I look at this on the longer term, i.e. the weekly time frame, I really want to see the conclusion of Bitcoin on this weekly price bar. So I might just wait to see where price closes on the week. And if it closes up here at the high of the bar, then I will play the idea of looking for Bitcoin to go up. So just give me that much time. Give me 5 days, 13 hours to see if Bitcoin is going to close higher. I want to see that occur. Then I will definitely be looking for the market to go higher. So give me that much time. You guys can get your own thesis, your own idea as to where you suspect the market in Bitcoin is going to go. Let me increase this area of resistance up there towards our next pocket of selling, and we'll see what happens next. Okay, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different. Part of me definitely wants to move the market up, so let me do that. Let me get rid of this prediction here, and we're going to play a move to the upside in Bitcoin. So our target would be at this first pocket of selling at the low end, $105,975, 7.05% there. Our next target would be at the high of that sell pocket, which is 9.5% at 108,390. We'll do that. All right, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.